Who's really the fastest animal alive? Spoiler, it's not the cheetah. Let's count down the top 5 fastest animals in the world, and number 1 will blow your mind. At number 5, the sailfish, a torpedo of the sea clocking 68 miles per hour. Number 4, the cheetah, the fastest land animal, sprinting at 75 miles per hour, but only for a few seconds. Number 3, the black marlin. This fish slices through the ocean at 82 miles per hour. Number 2, the golden eagle. During a dive, it can hit 200 miles per hour. And at number 1, the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth, diving at a mind-blowing 240 miles per hour. Which of these animals shocked you the most? Drop your pick in the comments.